Close your eyes, relax your mind. Tonight, you will learn English while you sleep. Let your brain rest while your subconscious absorbs simple and powerful English words. Just listen, breathe, and let the words flow into your dreams. While you sleep, your mind can relax and absorb simple English. Hello, good morning, good night. Thank you, please. Yes, no. I am happy. I am sad. I am fine. I am okay. I am learning. I am strong. I am ready. I am confident. I am smart. I am calm. I am peaceful. I am relaxed. I am positive. English is easy. English is fun. English is simple. English is powerful. Listen and repeat. Hello, friend. Good evening. See you soon. Take care. Sweet dreams. Wake up happy. Practice daily. Never give up. I can learn. I will learn. I believe. I achieve. I succeed. I focus. I improve. I grow. I try. I listen. I speak. I write. I read. I practice. I repeat. I remember. I relax. I smile. I laugh. I enjoy. I understand. I learn more. I get better. I keep going. I move forward. I am proud. I am grateful. I am thankful. I am patient. I am strong. I am brave. I am kind. I am friendly. I am honest. I am healthy. I am lucky. I am ready. I am free. I am happy today. I learn today. I grow today. I improve today. I practice today. English every day. Easy words, simple words, daily words. Hello, teacher. Hello, student. Good job. Well done. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't quit. Try again. Try more. Repeat again. Listen again. Practice again. Learning is fun. English is magic. English is life. English is global. English connects. English helps. English builds. English grows. English shines. English works. English wins. Say hello. Say goodbye. Say please. Say thanks. Say sorry. Say yes. Say no. Say maybe. Say later. Say now. Say never. Say always. Say welcome. Say enjoy. Say relax. Say happy. Say smile. Say laugh. Say good. Say better. Say best. Good morning, world. Good night, world. Thank you, world. I love English. I love words. I love learning. I love practice. I love speaking. I love reading. I love writing. I love listening. I love repeating. I love growing. I love improving. I love achieving. I love success. I love progress. I love goals. I love dreams. I love myself. I love life. I love peace. I love calm. I love energy. I love focus. I love learning English. English is easy for me. English is fun for me. English is good for me. English is helpful for me. English is powerful for me. English is natural for me. English is possible for me. English is perfect for me. I am learning while sleeping. I am improving while sleeping. I am growing while sleeping. I am remembering while sleeping. I am practicing while sleeping. I am speaking better. I am reading better. I am writing better. I am listening better. Every day I grow. Every day I improve. Every day I learn. Every day I smile. Every day I try. Every day I repeat. Every day I succeed. Every day I win. Every day I shine. Every day I speak better English. English comes easy. English flows easy. English feels easy. English sounds easy. English looks easy. English works easy. English grows easy. I am confident in English. I am fluent in English. I am natural in English. I am strong in English. I am smart in English. I am positive in English. I am successful in English. I am calm in English. I am happy in English. I am ready in English. I am free in English. I am better in English. I am best in English. I can learn English. I will learn English. I do learn English. I love learning English. I never stop learning English. English every day. English every night. English while sleeping. English while relaxing. English while dreaming. English while resting. English while calm. English while peaceful. English in my heart. English in my mind. English in my soul. English in my life. English is everywhere. English is always. English is forever. English is for me. English is mine. English is my friend. English is my teacher. English is my guide. English is my future. English is my power. English is my success. English is my dream. English is my reality. English is my language. Play this every night for 21 days to see real results in your English fluency.